Cast King Sharky 3 spinning reels look great. They are built tough to land trophy fish in saltwater and freshwater. Sharky 3 are superb lightweight fishing reels built with a high percentage fiber reinforced graphite body and rotor. You will love Sharky 3 spinning reel, amazing, best in class, up to 39.5 pounds or 18 kg of smooth, reliable triple disc carbon fiber drag, oversized stainless steel main shaft, and stronger precision mesh manganese brass pinion gears. Sharky 3 has a unique water-resistant design for its spool, body, and rotor Cast King intrusion shield system. It helps keep water and dirt out. You'll be blown away by the quiet, silky smooth retrieve of the Sharky 3. Plus, with the unique shark fin braid ready aluminum spool, you no longer need to use a backing line when spooling on a braid fishing line. Sharky 3 spinning reel has more features, including 10+1 high quality, saltwater rated double shielded stainless steel ball bearings, instant lock anti-reverse, stainless steel hardware, aluminum handle, and more line capacity.